Hi, was Samanath Small Steps Trader channel. Okay, don't get tense. So, because the Nifty not performed point wise, it's not a very big positive closure, but still it made an all-time high. So that's one good thing. But if you see the mid cap not performed well, and micro cap and small caps are quite significant negative side. So this give mixed kind of opinion. So that and all we will see in the chart. So before going to the chart, today's tidbit. In bear market, the high for the week is often set on Monday or Tuesday, with the new low towards the end of the week. That's Thursday or Friday. So if you see in the downward market and the bear market, if you see in the weekly chart, what author come to say is Monday and Tuesday would be the high, and probably the Thursday, Friday make the that week's low. So that's what author come to say. Now we'll go to the video. Before the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So only that will make you a good trader or investor in the long run. Now we'll go to the main video. So today Nifty 27 point positive closure at 22,405. The left side you can see the top gainers and losers of Nifty. Have a glance and continue the chart. So today totally 2704 stocks traded, in which 898 stock ended positively, 1704 stocks ended negatively, 102 stocks ended unchanged. 104 stocks touched the upper circuit limit, 118 stock touched the lower circuit limit, 379 stock touched the 52-week high, 52-week high, 263 stock touched the 52-week low. So if you see, this number is not giving any hope. This is less than 1000, and this number is drastically it is increased. And at the same time, Nifty, if you see the Nifty making all-time high, so there is a contradiction. At the same time, if you see the lowest circuit limit, 118 stock touched the lowest circuit limit, and 379 stock touched the 52-week high. But we saw that mid cap, micro and small caps are not performed well, but still there is using a lot of number. So that means what happened would be beyond the micro cap, that is 501 to 750 stocks, we can say it's a micro cap. So beyond that, those stocks may performed well. At the same time, in that area, the many stocks are the 52-week low. So all this, if you see, there is a mixed each and everything contradicting each other. So it's not giving a very much positive positive sign. At the same time, we cannot see any strong negative also. So let me see the chart and all, if what it says. So today, who is the good contributor to the Nifty? The Reliance 25.26 point positive contribution, and NTPC 13.15 point positive contribution. And the downside, Infy minus 15.59 points, and M&M minus 8 point negative contribution. Recording the FIA data. So yes, yeah. Today FIA 564 crores net selling, and day 3,542 crores net buying. So there is a massive selling, but if you see Nifty point wise, if you see, though it touched the all-time high, the point wise is just a 27 point positive closure. At the same time, mid, small and micro cap not performed well. So still there are a lot of huge buying is happening here. So that means it's something happening in the beyond micro cap stocks. That's what it give an opinion to us. Let me see in the subsequent days it may come what is exactly happening. So this is month wise FIA data. Pause the video, have a glance and continue the chart. Nifty previous close was 22,378. Today high is 22,440. So if downside, the low is today 22,358. So there is no much volatility, you can say. Almost entirely the market was in the sideways movement within 100.8 played actually. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, the previous close was 47,297 and the opening was 47,318. So there is not much gap up, but at the point of time, if you see, it reached 530, 47,530. So 230.8 from the previous close, it touched the high. From there, if you see, quite a drastic downside movement, 47,119. So almost nearly 250.8 has came down. But Bank Nifty, the 250 point is not big volatility, we can say, but completely that is recovered. At the end of the day, 158 point positively it is closed. So about the trend, we will change it to the day chart. First we will see Nifty. So if you see the Nifty, we keep saying that 22,000 now act as a very strong support, because it well away from the 22,000 mark. So that is nearly 400 point it is away from this area. So now this act as a very good support. The next level support we can say 21,500. So in case it even it touch the 21,500 also, there are possibilities the trend may change. So this is about Nifty, but as such there is no any strong negativity. Still the price action showed that still it has some, we can able to see some positivity. So there are a lot of chances it may touch 22,500. Similarly, if you see the indicator, still the RSI is above 60. So this giving some still hope the Nifty will go in the higher side. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so we keep saying that the 45,000 and 47,000 was the range we many session we saw that. Now it is close to about to that. So 250 point away from 47,000. So still we cannot say it is completely broke that range. So if tomorrow, if it closes positively more than some 400 or 500 point, we can say that the range is broke. Then we can say the upside movement. So tomorrow we can come to know whether it is the range is broke or not. So now the 47,000 act as a mild support. We cannot say it is a strong support, mild support. The strong support, it is 47,000 is the strong support. So it a little bit optimism is mounting in Bank Nifty. Let me see how it perform in the subsequent days. So this is all about large cap. So we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. We have to consider mid and small 400 index as well. So if you see the mid and small 400 index, so 26 point negative closure. So this is not a very big number, but still if you see now it is struggling to go in the higher side. At the same time, if you see the indicator, it couldn't able to make the higher high. So it completely it is losing the momentum. So now the all-time high would act as a resistance. The 17,350 will act as a resistance. So until it breaks that, we cannot expect. Still, it is have the lively chance to go in the higher side. At the same time, if you see in the downside, this will act as a now support. 16,750. That is a strong support. So now this is ranging in this area. Similarly, if you see the micro cap, almost a similar pattern. So though we could not able to see any strong negativity, at the same time we couldn't able to see any strong optimism also. So it not giving much confidence like Nifty making higher high. So if you see the overall market, it is quite confusing state now. At all, I think it's because of election. Let me see. So this is about our market. Let me see how the US market last session it is closed. So Dow closed to 90 point positive closure, and S&P 500 40 point positive closure, Nasdaq 183 point positive closure. So other than Dow, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, if you see, is a very good positive closure. By the time of recording this video, UK market is quite negatively, we can say, all are more than 0.5%. But if you see the Euro market, it's near flat. So these both are mixed kind of trading is happening, let me say, end of the day. So this is the Dow chart. If you see the Dow chart, this is struggling to make all-time high. So the last all-time high is this is the one. So 39,300, we can say that will act as a resistance now. And this area, this 38,750, 38,800 will act as a strong support. If this breaks, we can expect some downside pullback. But this opposite performance of the Dow, the S&P 500 broad market index giving the hope. So it's making all-time high. If you see the price action, still it's very much optimism, we can see, able to see this. So this gives the holistic view of the US market, we can say that. So with that respect, there is no negativity. So end of the market, our market correlate with the US market. So with that respect, we can expect still our market also go on the higher side. At least we can expect Nifty, there are a lot of possibilities, it will test 20 to 500, so just hardly 100 points. So that's not a big deal for the Nifty. Even this week itself, it will make a touch to that. Okay, so with this we close this video. Hopefully this will be very much informative to you. Please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you next video, and then bye bye. Thank you.